Today on part 2 of the Informational series. It's classic Toyota Corolla talk. The first generation of cars were introduced in November of 1966 and manufactured and marketed globally by the Japanese automaker Toyota Motor Corporation. The Corolla was the best-selling car worldwide by 1974 and has been one of the best-selling cars in the world since then. The first-generation Corollas, also known as KE-A10 and KE-11, had the new 1100cc pushrod engines, and in 1968 Toyota also introduced a fastback version Sprinter. Although this first generation didn't last and ended in 1969, making way for a second generation of Corollas. The white car you see here is a 1969 Toyota Corolla KE-10 with a 3KC engine. In May 1970, the Corolla was restyled with a more rounded body. The now mutually exclusive Corolla and Sprinter names were used to differentiate between two slightly different treatments of sheet metal and trim. The Corolla 11 and Sprinter Trueno names were also introduced as performance versions of the Corolla and Sprinter line when a dual overhead cam version of the 2T engine was introduced in March 1972. These second-generation Corollas were also known as TE27 Mangos, TE21 Peanuts, and TE28 Wagons, and the KE lines. Being ultra-rare, I have yet to see a 1970 with a second-generation body. The car you see here is a 1972 Toyota Corolla TE27. As engine variants used in the second generations, KE models used 3K or 3KC 1200cc engines. TE models used 2TC and 2TG 1600cc engines. The car you see here is a 1972 Toyota Corolla TE28 two-door wagon. The 2TG engines were produced from 1970 through 1983, chain-driven 8-valve dual overhead cam versions. With an output of 110 to 125 horsepower, variants include the air-injected 2TGR, Japan Spec 2TGU, and fuel-injected 2TGU. With twin-side drafts, 40mm Mikuni's carbs were also used in non-EFI versions. All 2TG cylinder heads were casted by Yamaha. The red car here is a 1972 Toyota Corolla TE27 with a 3TC engine and dual-side draft Weber carbs. The 2TG engines was considered the flagship engine of Toyota's 1600 class until it was superseded by the 4AGE in the 1980s. The 2TG is still a popular engine for conversions to classic Celicas and Corollas and are often suitable for classic and Formula racing. This one is by far my favorite. What you're looking at is a ultra-rare 1974 Toyota Corolla TE27 S5 model. What is amazing? I've had the opportunity to work on all these models. In fact, the pictures shown are the cars that went through our shop. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.